Hey, this is Steve from SkiCoachingOnline. Welcome back. In this video, we're going to look at how we can get early edge or early grip. So I was talking about it before with some guys, and we were saying that the whole thing of getting grip comes from the ski moving forward as it's being tipped over. That way then I can get some grip. But if I'm coming around the turn and at the end of it I'm just sliding like this, it's going to be hard for me to get any forward momentum onto my new outside ski. So what I've got to do is I've got to make sure that I've got enough grip through the end of the turn so that my ski is moving forward before I then start to roll into the new turn. So it feels like ever so slightly a little bit of a traverse at the end will then allow me to get that bit of grip nice and early on the new outside ski. So what that looks like in action is a little bit like this. So I'm coming around and I'm just searching for that extra little bit of grip that feels a little bit like a traverse just through the end of the turn. So for example, as I go down here, if I'm side slipping, I've got no momentum going forward. So if I want to get on this ski, I have to kind of stand on it and it twists here, and that's when I then get the grip. Whereas if I'm going down and I start to search for a bit of forward momentum, as I then roll the ski over, I can start to grip a little bit higher and add a little bit of shape to the turn, rather than it just being a side slip down the hill. Okay, let's see how that went, but I'll catch you in the next one.